It is with great sadness that we announce the death of Lawrence Riviere, also known as Cato, who was originally from Barons Drive, Soufrière, but resided at Cicero Castries. He was a retired fisherman and a member of the Castries Fishermen's Cooperative. He was 72 years old. Left to mourn 3 children: Sarah Averill of Cicero, proprietor of CC Bridal, and was also his caretaker; Soraya Abraham of Grand Riviere Groselet, nurse in Bermuda; Curisha Abraham of Grand Riviere Groselet; one sister, Verena Marsley and family of Tirocher Castries; one brother, Simon Joseph and family of Tirocher Castries; children's mother, Julia Abraham of Grand Riviere Groselet; grandchildren, Sonika Jean-Baptiste, employed of Arc Teleservices; Shem Abraham, employed of Carnival Cruise Lines; Rochelle Averill, employed of KM2 Solutions; Sharik Averill, employed of Lighthouse Electrical; Noah Averill of Cicero; Vitru Averill of St. Lucia School of Music; Akiba Averill, student of Barbano Secondary; Hannalise Averill, student of Dame Paulette Primary School; Callan Alexander, student of Groselet Secondary School; Samoa Alexander, student of Canon Laurie Anglican Primary School; Marielle Leopold of Grand Riviere Groselet; son-in-law Roll Averill, employed of Windjammer Landings; families, the Abraham family, Riviere family, and Maximin family, all of Soufrière. Special friends including Sister Francisca Narcissus, Brother Joe and family, Pastor Ricky Herman and family, members of the Church of God Seventh Day in St. Lucia, members of the Castries Fishermen's Cooperative, fellow fishermen by the Castries Fisheries Complex, fishermen of Barons Drive, Soufrière, many other relatives and friends too numerous to mention. The funeral service of the late Lawrence Riviere, also known as Cato, will be held at the Ramballies Chapel on Thursday, 22nd November at 2 p.m., and the body will be interred at the Choc Cemetery. The body now lies at Ramballies Funeral Parlor, Calvary Road. May he rest in peace.